Greetings, my viewers. Welcome back to my channel once again. Wow, thank you for stopping to watch my video. Wow, as you can observe, today I'm in a kitchen, and what am I going to show you today in this video? Today I visited one of my friends who is blind. She likes baking, and I found her baking. So join me, let's bake together as we bake. It was a wonderful baking, and don't miss this. Please watch until the end, and kindly subscribe, click that red button, and like my video. So join us.
Okay, now we are back, and now we want to make our dough, to see our dough if it's now fine. So as usual, I'll first wash my hands. And then I'll remove the plastic. So you can see now that the dough is very soft and fine.
Yeah. Okay, why spreading the sugar on the tray?
I'm spreading the sugar for the scones not to be stick on the tray.
Okay.
Yeah. And sometimes people use cooking oil or butter.
Okay.
Yeah. So
So if we don't have cooking oil or butter, you just clean up
use
your tray.
Yeah.
We use sugar. You
Yeah.
just spread the sugar around
Yeah.
the tray.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm not using any cooking oil or any butter.
Okay.
Yeah. So I'm starting.
Now you're comfortable for me to
yes,
get on board.
But you have to wash your hands.
Then I have to get my food. So this is what
My love seems like
are ready now to put in the oven. So we just wait for 15 to 20 minutes so that the scones should be ready. So this is how I'm going to put them.
My viewers, we are watching today. What we are doing is baking scones, not meat scones, because some of you guys, you can feel like we have put butter and milk inside, but there's no butter and milk inside. Can I taste?
You can.
All right, I'm taking the big one. Just you can see. Wow, they are very soft. No milk, no butter. It's just sugar, baking powder, else
Salt, eggs,
and eggs. Just see how soft they are. Wow, my God. Come close to have my joy.
So you can take this with tea, coffee, or any drink of your kind,
They're
or
very
even
soft
water. Yeah.
and they're yummy. So thank you, my viewers. Today I was with Blessings here in Pingui area. What is it? Area or you call it?
It's
Number 4. I'm used to long. Okay. So I was with Blessings here today, and it's just time for us to buy our juice, and then we can go have a coffee.
Yeah.
One of our visitors who like coffee, water, and just to have these scones. And she has said they are called scones, and this is Blessings baking scones.
Yeah.
So if you need them, just contact me. Give up your comment so that maybe you can order for your event, your function,
your parties.
Yes, and there are some people there are a lot of people who say I don't eat milk scones. I don't eat butter. You can have these scones. They're not made by butter. They're not made used by milk or what. It's just water, and it was warm water, not even
Yes. It was cold water.
okay, cold. Yeah, sorry, my dear. It was cold water, not even warm water. Sugar, salt, baking powder, and 2 eggs. And 2 eggs it goes in half kg. So if it is 1 kg, it means you need to have 4 eggs.
Yeah.
So this is how I have I have baked with Blessings.
Yes.
So these are Blessings scones. So what can you say to my viewers, Blessings?
Alright, so viewers over there, this just shows you that disability is not inability. So each and every person, when given chance, can do a lot of things apart from even baking scones. I can cook sima. Here in Malawi we say sima. I don't know in your country what you say, what you call that. I can cook, I can do everything. I can even mop, clean the house, I can wash my clothes, I can do everything. So disability is an inability. You see yourself on how I did this alone and without any help. If maybe sometimes they can ask for help, it's just a little here and there. You know, sometimes eyes are almost needed. So I can maybe invite some people like just to help me here and there. But 99% of the work I always do alone. So I always say that if you have a person with any disability, please first thing encourage that person to go to school, and the other thing, make sure that you are not keeping that person indoors, but rather just make sure that you interact and you teach those people how to work on their own. Yeah.
She has already said everything. For more videos, subscribe my channel, click that red button, like my videos, and don't forget also to search another video with blessings. That was a good video. So my viewers, I can't wait to have my drink with these scones. So see you once again. Don't forget to subscribe, click that channel, like my videos, and what are we going to say to them? Is it ta-ta or bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Wow. Bye-bye.